We're going to learn how to juggle today. The first thing you're wondering is, what is juggling? Most people think that juggling looks something like this. But in reality, what juggling is throwing a bunch of things in the air and they're falling all over the place. And that's okay. Part of the beauty of juggling is messing up and trying again. So if you're dropping your items all over the place time and time again, stay with it, stay focused, because you are going to get it. And in the end, it's going to be amazing. What do you need for juggling? Most people use juggling beanbags. They're about the size of an orange and they have a little bit of weight to them. What you don't want to use is something that's going to bounce all over the place or that's going to be too big for your hands. Most people do try to use a tennis ball, and a tennis ball is a really bad idea. They're way too bouncy and they're too hard to catch. What I did, I don't have juggling beanbags, so I grabbed some fruit. What this is going to do is going to help you keep track of the rotation of the balls. What we're going to be learning today is the 3-ball cascade. What you want to start off with is just one ball, or in my case, piece of fruit. We have a lemon, and what we want to do is we just want to get used to tossing and catching. For some of us, we haven't caught in a long time, so you just want to kind of get used to that toss, catch, watch the ball, track the ball, feel. Do this as many times as you have to get used to catching without dropping it over and over again. This is step 1. Do it as much as you need. And I'm going to toss right to left, dominant to non-dominant, left to right, right to left, left to right, over and over again. Step 2, once you've thrown that ball around and you've gotten good at catching and throwing even without looking, we're going to add a second ball in. Now, all we're going to do with this is we're going to toss and catch. You can toss, toss, catch, catch. Same ball, same hand. We're not exchanging and switching hands right now. What you want to try and do is you're going to draw a box about shoulder width apart, up and over your head. And these are the 2 points that we want to aim for every single time. So we're going to toss, toss. Oh, see? Got to keep doing it until we get it. I'm going to watch the top of that box. And what I want to avoid is throwing out and having to reach out in front of me to get it. We want the object to come straight up and straight down. If you're throwing too close to you or too far away, you have to correct that before we can add in a third ball or the next step. So the next step, if I'm tossing, once I can do that without dropping, I'm going to go dominant, non-dominant. Right to left, left to right. Right to left, left to right. Right, left. Right, left. And just hitting those 2 points right above my head. Sometimes when we're tossing, I throw with my right hand, but my left hand just doesn't want to let go of that object. That muscle memory really kicks in. Start with your left hand and throw to the right first. Left, right, crisscross. Right, left. The more you do it, the more you break yourself of that habit. The last part is where we introduce the 3rd ball, and is our 3-ball cascade. Now, because I'm a righty, I'm starting with both of the objects in my right hand. If you're a lefty, you can start with both the objects in your left hand. It's up to you. Starting with 2 in my right, 1 in my left, I'm going to go right, left, right, and then I'm going to stop. Right, left, right. Now I have 2 in my left and 1 in my right. So I'm going to try the other way. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. And I'm just going to go in this 3. Well, that didn't work. I'm going to stick with this 3 pattern catch until I feel very confident in it. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Now, it's very easy to want to throw really low because we think low is better. But in reality, the higher you throw, the more time you have to catch. When that ball starts coming down is when you throw the next one in the air. Once we get the 3 throws down, we're going to add in a 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I can do 4, I can add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how I'm kind of throwing too far in front of me? I need to work on that. And that is how you do a 3-ball cascade.